Alright, so this is a few days after the Karmann Ghia arrived. Trying to just get started. No pedal assembly. So basically, I'm just cranking it from the accelerator cable. I haven't done anything to it. I added a coil because there was no coil, but haven't done anything. I'm just trying to get it started that way first. And as you can see, it's cranking. Oh, I also changed the starter too. The starter was crispy and toasted. Looked like it had been dipped in a fry vat. More overview. This car has been sitting for 30 years in a barn, so it should be a challenge. This is the starter when I pulled it out. So when I first put the key in and tried to turn it over, the starter actually blew up, started smoking, and that was that. So this began my journey in restoring this 1971 Karmann Ghia. There will be many more videos to follow. Hope you enjoy. Comment, definitely comment, give me some likes, some criticism, whatnot. Take care.